The bike can go on forever, it's the rider which is the problem.
I abused your bike, Anton. Like bad.
Oh, you have to go again, you know. This is a hack. It's a life hack. Get training. The bike lasts longer than you do.
Good morning everyone, we are here today in Sitges outside Barcelona and we are here to do a hard enduro range test, which is going to be super exciting. So doing the test today we'll do one amateur bike and one pro bike. So amateurs will be me and Kian Darvishian, one of our chief engineers that has been fundamental to developing this bike. And the pro is of course Eddie Karlsson, which will have one bike. Let's see how much range do we get. Both bikes are completely stock. This is VIN number 008, the other bike is VIN number 1469, so fairly early in production. Yeah, we're gonna ride from 100% battery to 0 and see how far do we get, how long time do we get to ride. I think Eddie is gonna get a bit more than 2 hours and me and Kian will get somewhere close to 6. All good, let's go. Vamos. Okay. Let's go.
Flytta på dig, kom igen. My God!
I went wrong.
Oh. Now we climb 250 meters altitude. We have 27 minutes, 12% down. It's time to drop down.
Yeah, good. Well, I don't find the line direct, but we will make some more laps.
A regular Sunday.
Yeah.
Are you getting nervous?
I'm very nervous. I'm definitely gonna get lost. If he gets lost, imagine me. Oh man.
This is the way down. It's not. All yours. We have 86%.
Oh my God.
Yes, fridge.
All right, that one done. Little camera swap. Kian?
Wish me luck.
Presented.
87.
All right.
See you in a bit.
Peace out.
So I'm one lap down, 13% battery and 50% human completed. We're gonna get 6 laps out of this thing. Okay, so Team Pro, which is only Eddie, is now on lap 4, and Team Amateurs is on lap 1.5. Yeah, we got some work to do. Let's see how many percent we have when he gets back. I'm worried we're gonna get to a ridiculous long day today.
Hour 40 in.
And how much percent? 45.
I don't know, he might be lost. Yeah.
Huh?
I think he's lost.
Yeah, man! Woo!
Yeah, we saw that.
We'll take the bike for you.
I don't want to touch it ever again. Hard Enduro.
This is a hack. It's a life hack. Ice belly.
I think we need to put water in. Oh, it's coming. I don't get it out.
So we've been out 2 hours 9 minutes. You have done 4 laps.
Yeah, 5.
5? No, 4. No, have you done 5?
5, yeah.
What's your battery level?
31.
31 after 2 hours?
Yeah, and you?
72 after 2 hours.
Yeah.
Okay, let's go. Okay, vamos.
Eventful. The bike can go on forever. It's the rider which is the problem. So, guys, get training. The bike lasts longer than you do.
Guys, if you ever think about getting one of these bikes, make sure to choose handbrake. It is amazing how you can ride it. So we've been out 2 hours 45 minutes and we are at 59%.
On your bike now?
60%. It was 59, now it's 60.
No way.
Mamma mia.
Yeah, 3.
3%.
Yeah.
Maybe do a couple of laps up and down here so we go to 0.
Yep.
Finish the last bit.
Yeah, sure.
You did 0%. What a ride.
Alright, we're at 60 on the amateur.
My turn now. Wish me luck. I need it.
Rocks. Oh, rocks. What a f***ing loser. I really hope this is the way down. It's not. No.
Woo! Yeah, man! Fucking made it! I'm finished, man. And then I f***ing crashed big time. Big time, with the bike, man. Oh, all good, man.
Perfect. Do it. We have 45% battery left. Okay, see you guys. Vamos. Woo!
Oh, mamma mia.
How you feeling?
Done.
You have to go again, you know. Can you do one more?
Not now. Can you fill in for me? Thank you.
What's the percentage? The amateurs have less range than the battery. They have burned out 2 amateurs now. We have 30% left, so we need the pro rider to show us how it's done. Maybe you can drive a little bit slower to more represent like an amateur.
Cheers, mate. Yeah, it's hard out there.
Well, the bike lasts a lot longer than we do. And we just proved that, right? Can I swear? Totally wrecked. 2 laps for me was, I couldn't do more.
So I mean, we are normal riders. We're not good, but we get through.
And that was 2 of us, right, on one bike. So like the average guy, you're gonna run out of energy before the bike does, that's for sure.
Yeah. If you do technical riding, for sure.
Yeah,
Sure.
And the bike took a beating and like held up fine, because I abused your bike, Anton.
That's okay.
Like bad. Just throwing it down the mountain like, it'll be fine.
Still 18. So we go for a last lap. For sure, it's a bike for everyone. Actually, the races I have made before, I make 2 hours and 30 minutes, but now we make 3 hours, so I didn't expect that. Pretty impressive. So for an amateur rider, it's gonna be even, much enough. You're gonna be out there for like 6 hours, more or less. 0.
Good job. Amazing. So, Hard Enduro range test day is completed. It's been tough, honestly. We had fast Eddie here who did 2:55, 2 hours 55 minutes of Hard Enduro on one bike yourself without stopping, which is impressive. And then we had the 2 amateurs here, me and Kian, who we did 5 laps, but then we were out of battery. We were at 0% at that point, so we asked the pro here to help us to drain the last 30%, which he did. So the amateur bike finished the test at 5.5 hours, if we would have had the strength, we would have finished at 7 hours. But we were done. We are done. I think we can say that. Thank you guys for the help today. On to the next test.
Full time?
Full time, yeah.